Hello, what's up, Texas? I'm Chris on, a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Texas Realty. Today, I'm going to tell you a little bit of current market, the housing report recently released from ABOR, Austin Board of Realtors. So I'm talking about report and tell you a little bit insights. So bear with me. I'm going to summarize everything for you. Hopefully, like less than 10 minutes. The range. If you need a more detailed information like the statistics information, and this is only realtor can access, and let me know, I may help you. All right. And okay, this is kind of summary from the ABOR. So the peak season here in Austin, Texas, that is summertime. Now is August done, so now is September. So going to be declined, so off season going to be started, but surprisingly, because of we have severe inventory issue still in Austin, decreasing, and the supplies are year-over-year decrease, right? So it's a little bit of issue to home buyers here. It's still the seller's market. All right, and the appreciation of the market and still affordability issue. So they're suggesting like duplex and multiplexes. Hopefully more supplies in the market. Okay, that's the expert says. And the terms, I'm gonna tell you the definition. We use a Austin Round Rock MSA. And sometimes we say Greater Austin. So let me tell you, MSA means, okay, MSA means Metropolitan Statistical Area. Okay, so it's the big cities like Austin, like Houston, Boston is the main city there, and then suburb cities combinedly they call the MSA. The other terms we use more easily understand is a Greater Austin. Okay, you may heard about Greater Austin, right? So Greater Austin is collectively combining all of nearby counties: Bastrop, Caldwell, Hayes, Travis, Williamson. So combinedly, the population is exceeding the 2 million people residents. It's a huge area, right? And this is what we are talking about here, right? So let me see. Go back. So city of Austin, within the city limits, the median price single family homes exceeding 400,000. So affordability issue here. So but if you have a little bit flexible in your position and a wider to Travis County boundary, then the median price single home family residence, that is 380. A little bit better, right? What about you have a budget issue? So Williams County, the single family home, 295,000. So see, so this is a big difference. So we have a supply issue here, but good news is I'm the one. I can find you home. So feel free to reach out to me. Also, I'm a new home, brand new home specialist as well. All right. So for the little bit of graphical interpretation, so Austin area, this is much easier to understand. See, Greater Austin, as I said, it's not city of Austin, right? And then appropriate, recommended, the supply demand should meet like 6.5 month supply, that is appropriate level. But we are talking about less than a half. 2.7 months inventory, strong seller market. So all the higher, the lower the figure meaning is less supply. So we have a limited inventory situation now. Let's drop. Let me talk about the, let's say, city of Austin here. See the median price more exceeding 400,000. So we have a full affordability issue again. And city of Austin inventory extremely low, less than 2 months. Wow, amazing, huh? So that's why I'm talking about the other option. If that is the case, if you are flexible, Travis County a little bit better inventory situation. Williams County, yeah, a lot better. So this is what I'm talking about. Thanks for watching. I'll come back with the next month the market report as soon as we have available report released from the ABOR. Thank you for watching.